There's no doubt that having a Microsoft account simplifies managing all your services. Certainly makes the Windows 11 upgrade easier. So here's how to create one. Go to account.microsoft.com. Use the card link shown for direct access to the site. Click on Create a Microsoft account. You can use an already existing email or create a new one by clicking on Get a new email address. You'll then be prompted to choose your new email. Click Next when ready. Now set your password and follow the on-screen instructions. Once completed, you'll be able to use your Microsoft account to log into Windows, Outlook, and other Microsoft services. For more details about creating a Microsoft account and a bunch of other Microsoft account information, click on the card link shown. Whenever you need support or have questions, you can always contact us at Dell Cares on Twitter for further assistance. Keep an eye out for more Windows 11 content on this channel, so become a subscriber today. Thanks for watching this Dell Tech Support video production.